Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Confirm your mail client supports the extension and that you have admin rights. Once done, back up current mail settings to restore if needed. Next, download the exact extension build or note its marketplace listing and version so you avoid mismatches. You'll need to verify compatibility with your client version and any security policies. Start installation immediately after confirming those items because mismatches cause failures later and waste time. You now install. Run the installer or add from the marketplace and pick per user or global deployment depending on your environment. Once installed, enter API keys, required scopes, and correct redirect URIs. This is why matching the version earlier matters. Then configure permissions and map folders, signatures, or routing rules so the extension integrates with your mail flow. Make sure to save settings and restart the client. That forces the new components to register and prevents silent failures. You finish by testing thoroughly. Send and receive messages, verify folder sync, and exercise the extension's UI features to confirm behavior. If something fails, check logs for authentication errors, CORS issues, or permission denials. Those are the common culprits and explain why things broke. If problems persist, revert to your backup configuration or reinstall the extension cleanly, making sure to reapply correct keys and permissions. One key tip: clear client cache and restart after fixes to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.